Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone is signed into the same Apple ID and that you have an iCloud backup for the watch. This preserves settings. Once done, place the watch on its charger and check battery level. Low power can cause interruptions. If the watch is still paired to a different phone, unpair it there or erase all content to clear activation lock. This first step prevents data loss and authentication errors when you move to pairing. Now begin the pairing flow. Open the watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing, then position the watch within the camera frame. You'll see an animated swirl on the watch face. Align it in the iPhone view to authenticate quickly. If the camera method fails, pick manual pairing and follow on-screen codes. When asked, choose either Restore from Backup to Recover settings or Set up as new for a fresh start, and sign in with your Apple ID to complete activation. Finish by enabling key features like Find My, Cellular if applicable, Siri, and Health Sync. Set a passcode for security. Make sure both devices stay near each other and connected to power while apps and data sync. This can take several minutes. If something goes wrong, here's one key troubleshooting tip. Restart both the iPhone and the watch, ensure iOS and watchOS are updated, and confirm activation lock is removed. Then try the pairing sequence again to...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.